Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to address the issue on why the Nursing and Midwifery training portal is not working for any of the nursing training colleges in the country and when exactly this problem will be resolved. My name is Don Holy. I'm an educational coach that guides students to any of the different institutions in the country. I sell any of the forms, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel and you are here to buy the form, just look on your screen. There's a number displaying there. Pick the number and contact me. I'll take you through the application process for free. So the only thing you have to do is what? Pay for the cost of the e-voucher and then you get the remaining process for free. And at the same time, you stand a chance of joining my WhatsApp group where I will take my time and groom you for the interview that you would go. And you better understand every single thing, how you're supposed to prepare yourself before you go for the interview and all. So that once you go, you can go straight forward and gain admission to your school, go for the interview, break all the records and go just like I've done for your seniors in the past. All right, so let's move straight forward. Now, each and every year there are technical challenges facing each and every portal, each and every school system. So this year on has also started for the Nursing and Midwifery Training Council. Last year it started and it took about 1 week for them to get the issue resolved. However, if you want to apply or you are so desperate and you want to go through the process at all costs, it is going to cost you because the portal won't be responding. So you have to keep on refreshing it over and over and over and over again. At long last, it will pay. You fill the form, you want to go to the next step, you have to keep on refreshing it over and over and over again. So with that, because you are desperate, you can make mistakes along the line and that will go a long way too affecting you. Have it in mind that applying to the Nursing and Midwifery Training College matters a lot with the way you input your details. If you input the details anyhow, just have it in mind that automatically you'll be called for an interview. Once you apply, you are automatically qualified to call for an interview. That 150 cedis they will take from you as an interview fee is going to the school's pocket, and there is no way they are not going to call you so that they can get loss of that 150 cedis. So they are going to call you for the interview, and after the interview, when they are verifying your results and other details you've inputted, that is when you know that yes, applying to the school matters with the details inputted. So if you need an expert to do that for you, don't hesitate to hit me. I'll take you through the application process, everything just like the way it's supposed to be done. Now, those of you who keep on messaging me, the portal is not working, how do I go about it and all that, please relax. It's a general issue that occurs every year. That of teacher training colleges started yesterday is not working as well. Initially, there's verification of the results was a problem. Now the site is down for the teacher training colleges in the country. And the nursing training colleges, we are praying hopefully by Monday it should start working. If it doesn't, then we are going to either the middle or against the end of the week before it will start working. So those of you who have my contact who want to buy the form, you can pay down, okay? So when the portal starts working, then we can go straight forward, follow on it, and then start with the application process. So the only thing I can tell you now is have little patience. The portal will start working very soon, okay? Once the portal starts working, you are entitled to go ahead and apply for the school. So do not be rushing. I want to apply early. I want to apply early. I want to apply early. At the nutshell, we are all going to go for the interview. We are going to go for the school. It doesn't matter when it comes to the training card. It doesn't matter when exactly you do your application. Your interview result is what will determine if you gain admission or you will not gain admission. So I would advise all of you to realize it's a system issue. So that they now have to detect the problem and get it fixed. It happens every single year. Like I said, last year only took about a week for them to get it resolved. So you guys should just realize the portal is going to be closed on 5th of July and buying of the form will be closed on 30th June, 30th of next month. So all of you should relax, take a deep breath, and everything will be sorted out for free. Once it's set, we'll go ahead and do the application. This is why I'll stop the video. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, do me the honor, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification bell for more educative content in the future. And I'll be looking forward to having you in my DM or to join my WhatsApp.